Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of spongy white fruit cake. Look at the text of the cake, friends. This is so spongy and super delicious. Let's see how to make this white fruit cake. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup of chopped dried apricots and cranberries. Add in 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios, almonds and cashew-nuts. You can add any nuts as per your wish. Add in 1/4 cup of dried cherries and tutti frutti. If you do not have apricots and cranberries means you can add half a cup of tutti frutti. I have added 1 tablespoon of chopped raisins as well. You can add up to 1/4 cup of raisin. Now add in 1 tablespoon of maida. While baking, these dry fruits wouldn't sink to the bottom of the cake. That's why we are dusting it with maida. Give it a mix, cover it and keep it aside. Place a sieve in a mixing bowl and add in 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in 1 tablespoon of milk powder. In goes 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Add in 2 pinch of salt and give it a mix. Now sift the dry ingredients so that everything combines well. The flour mix is ready now. Here I have taken 5 eggs, separated the egg white as well as yolk. Beat it nicely using electric beater until it forms frothy. We have to whisk in the egg whites nicely so that we'll get spongy cake. Once the egg white has doubled in volume, add in 1¼ cup of powdered sugar. Add in the sugar little by little and continue beating. This should be the consistency of the egg white and the sugar. It's also called meringue. Now add in the egg yolk little by little and continue beating. The egg and the sugar mix is ready now. Add in half a teaspoon of almond essence and half a teaspoon of pineapple essence. If you don't have these flavored essence means you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In goes 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Beat it slightly so that everything combines well. The egg mix is ready now. Here I have taken 150 grams of melted butter. Now add in the flour mix little by little and mix it with spatula. Once you started adding the flour mix, you shouldn't use the electric beater. Alternatively, add in the melted butter while folding in the flour mix. Make sure not to overmix the batter, so we have to handle it gently. This should be the texture of the cake batter. Now add in the dried fruit mix. I have reserved some dry fruits in order to garnish it on top of the cake. Gently fold in the dry fruit mix. The white fruit cake batter is ready now. This is a 9-inch square cake tin. I have lined it with parchment paper and greased it with oil. Now gently transfer the cake batter into the baking tin. Give it a tap so that the air bubbles goes off. Sprinkle the reserved dry fruits on top of the cake batter. I bake this cake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Well, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. The cake is perfectly baked. Delicious aromatic white fruit cake is ready now. This cake is so spongy and tastes really good. Do try this cake and share me the feedback. I'll slice this cake and show how it looks inside. Look at the texture of this sponge cake, friends. If you try this cake, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.